Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. I hope you're all doing good and you're all excited for this very important lecture on mathematical reasoning. So people, if you can hear me, if you can all see me well, then let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo, so that we can get started with this amazing session. So this is ideally for 2023-2022 aspirants. So if you're in 11th standard or if you're in 12th, then this session is super amazing because mathematical reasoning is one of the easiest chapters to score. How many of you know that? How many of you believe that? Hi Aditya, Zealot, welcome. Vaishnavi, Shruti, Vanakkam Shruti. Study only, welcome. Sneha, Shri Vidya, welcome. Hi Abhinaya, welcome. So people, I am very happy to see everybody right on time, sharp at 4 o'clock. So let's make the most out of it. This is gonna be a one-shot marathon. In one stretch, we are gonna complete this. Are you ready? Do you guys have energy? Do you guys feel that this chapter can be mastered today? Yes? Hi Rahul, super. So let's maintain the same energy and move into the session. So people, this is mathematical reasoning in one shot with Shimon sir. So my name is Shimon Joseph and I'm a mathematics master teacher here at Vedantu. So I did my BTech from IIT Madras. Many of you want to get into IITs. Isn't that right? So I was also like you a few years back. I also wanted to get into IIT, so I prepared for it. I went to coaching, I took help of so many teachers, friends and parents' support, and eventually when I wrote JEE mains, I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu and I went on to clear advance. So I got into IIT. It was the best 5 years of my life. I had a fantastic time, lots of great memories. I'm sure you guys also want to get into an IIT or NIT and that is why you are watching this video. So don't worry guys, we will help you, our channel teachers. We will work hard so that you guys can bring about a super change in your future. Got it? So work hard along with us, be sincere, be regular to sessions and we will definitely crack it together as a team. Okay, so that is my background. This is my Instagram ID. So if you want to message me or just be my friend, you can follow me on Instagram and I will help you out with your questions. Got it? Selva Kumar, you want to be a student forever. Great. State rank 5. Yes, Bala, that's absolutely right. I got state rank 5 in Tamil Nadu. Great. Hi Jashwant. Vanakkam man, nice to see you. So people, the channel you're currently watching is JEE Enthuse. Enthuse means what? We will excite you. We will enthuse you, motivate you. That is the purpose of this channel. We want to give you guys confidence. And this is an English channel. So in YouTube, many channels are Hindi, right? You all were worried, sir, everybody is teaching in Hindi only, sir. Can you teach in English? That will be better for us South Indians, no? We don't understand Hindi. And we heard your request. We created this channel for you. So make sure you subscribe, you share it to your friends, and we will grow together as one big army. Okay? So people, this is my Instagram. This is a session title. This is one shot because in one session, I'm going to finish the entire chapter. Okay? So that is all about our channel. If you like it, guys, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on high quality, top-notch content. And also, share it to your friends, okay? So that we will reach many people. Sharing is always caring, right? So do that, people. So shall we begin? Are you ready for the marathon? Did you all tie your shoelace? Otherwise, you will fall down. So tie your shoelace. I hope all of you are ready to run now. We are going to run for the next 1 hour. So it is right now 4 o'clock, 4:05. So we will finish by 5:15. 1 hour, fatafat. We will move faster and complete it. Are you guys ready? Is everybody here? Did you all invite your friends? Are you guys here? Shall we get started? Superb. Superb, superb. So let's go. The first thing is, I want to teach you guys what are sentences. So today's class is going to be like an English class. Sir, are you maths teacher or are you English teacher, sir? You are teaching sentence and all. Washington DC is in America. 2 plus 3 is 5. New Delhi is in Nepal. Every relation is a function. Give me a glass of water. Do your homework. What are you looking at? So these are all called as sentences in English. Absolutely right. Everybody agrees with me on that. But now I'm going to teach you something beyond that. I'm going to teach you guys what are called as statements. Okay? I'm going to teach you guys what are called as statements. Can anybody tell me what is a statement? Let's see if you guys know it. I want to test your basics. So everybody, please try to do it. The main theme of mathematical reasoning is Boolean algebra. Okay, Tamil, in computer science, you use something called as Boolean algebra, right? So that basis is very easy to understand if you know mathematical reasoning. So it is a good chapter. If you are wanting to do computer science, then this is a good chapter to learn, to target. Okay? Statement means stating something. Okay, Tamil, you have never touched mathematical reasoning. Don't worry, I will make sure by today class end, you will be thorough in this chapter. You can solve any question of JEE Mains. I guarantee. If you guys watch this one session fully, you can crack any question of mathematical reasoning. What is the weightage of this chapter? This chapter has a weightage of 1 question in your JEE Mains. But that itself is amazing, na? 1 question means it is 4 marks. So it will come for 4 marks out of 100 marks in mathematics. So it's a great chapter to score because it is that easy. I will make it that easy. So is it useful for 2023 batch? Yes, my dear. This session, if you're watching later, guys, please know this is useful for 2023 and 2022. Mathematical reasoning is a 11th standard topic. So both 11th and 12th can watch it. 11th standard to revise your current portion, 12th standard to revise for your JEE Mains. Is that clear? Shall we get started? Are you guys ready? Super, super, super. Let's go. Now people, what is a statement? Only one guy told it correctly. Statement is something which is either true or false. Statement is something which is either true or false. Did you all like it? Does that make sense to everybody? How many of you are excited? Yes, sir. That makes absolute sense. Ravi Kiran, you are right. Very good, Ravi Kiran. Superb, superb. So now people, first statement. Washington DC is in America. Is it true? Is it in America? Is it in America? Please tell me. Yes or no? Yes, it is. So it is a true statement. So it is a statement. Got it? Whenever it is true or false, it is a statement. 2 plus 3 is 5. Is it true? 2 plus 3 is 5. Is it true? Yes. So it is a statement. New Delhi is in Nepal. Is it true? It is false because New Delhi is the capital of our country. It is the capital of India. So New Delhi is in Nepal is false. So is it a statement? Yes. Is it a statement? Yes. Why is it a statement? Because statement can be either true or false. Got it? Very good, Jayant. Super, super. I am so happy you guys got it. New Delhi is in Nepal is a statement. Every relation is a function. Is it true? Is it true? Can you guys tell me, is it true or false? Every relation is a function. Is it true? Absolutely wrong. It is false. It is false. Because for a relation to be a function, it has to satisfy 2 criteria. I taught you that. Go and watch my videos. When I taught you functions, I taught you, na? It has to satisfy 2 conditions. So it is false. So is it a statement? Yes. Every relation is a function is false. Therefore, it is a statement. Why? Because a statement can be either true or false. Now, the last three are not statements. The last three are not statements. Why? Because give me a glass of water. Is it true or false? Does it make any sense? It's an order. It's an order. Give me a glass of water. You give me, I will take it and drink. Got it? So it's more like an order. It is not a true or false statement. Clear? Do your homework. Order. What are you looking at? Questioning. So these are neither true nor false. So they are not called as statements. Did you all like it? Was it good? So the first four are statements and the next three are not statements. Why? Because a statement can either be true or false. It can be assigned a truth value. What are truth values? Truth values are either true or false. Got it? Yes? Great, great, great. Hi Vijaya, welcome, welcome. Tap is slightly okay. Great. So people, now, I hope you're all clear. So now, these three are not statements. Why? Because they cannot be assigned truth value. They cannot be assigned true or false. Okay, that is what I have told now. Now let's move forward. Okay, now let's move forward. So this is a statement. New Delhi is the capital of India. Yes, it is true. It is a statement. Now, 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 6. Is it a statement? Yes. Why is it a statement? Because 3 plus 2 equal to 6 is false. So whenever something is false, then it is a statement. Whenever something is true, then it is a statement. So statement means it has to be either true or false. Don't forget that. Very important question. Okay. Now, can you guys tell me which are the statements here? Which are the statements? Sir is now English teacher. Absolutely. That's what I said in the start. Everybody try to solve it. Come on guys. You can do it. Great, great, great. Very good. Everybody, what are you guys doing? Please do it quickly. Selva Kumar is right. Very good. Okay. What about others? Arun, thank you man. Very good Vijaya. Answer is option C because I am an advocate. It can be true, it can be false. So that is wrong. A half open door is half closed. That's confusing. That's a paradox, right? Half open door is half closed. Okay, it is true or false. We don't know. But Delhi is on Jupiter is pakka false. Delhi is on Jupiter is pakka false. So whenever something is pakka false or pakka true, it is called as a statement. So answer is option C. Did you all like it? Are you guys happy with this? Till here, are you guys happy? Everybody cool? So shall we move forward? Amazing guys. You all deserve a round of applause. We should create slow claps. Not slow claps. Slow claps is like making fun. Okay. So we'll design new silent claps for you guys. Great. So now let's move forward. Proposition means statement. Yes, yes, yes. Absolutely. Okay. Great. So let's move forward now. Now I'm going to teach you the next thing, which is called as simple statement and compound statement. So in this example, can you guys guess what is simple statement and what is complex statement or compound statement? Okay, I want you guys to tell me what is a simple statement and what is a compound statement in these examples. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 statements here. I want you to tell which is simple statement, which is compound statement. Can you guys do that? Very good. Vaishnavi, if you start now, can I crack JEE mains? Yes, Vaishnavi, I have told you how to do it. Okay, Vaishnavi, I have told you so many things. It is possible to do it. You have to work hard. You can use my YouTube videos free of cost. Or if you are really interested, you can check the crash course. JEE crash course is going on. The link is given below in this video. It is just 9,000. If you are interested, join it, use it, and get working, get started, because you don't have time. You have to start today. Got it, Vaishnavi? That is my advice. Yes, anybody who starts even today can crack JEE mains if you put your heart and soul into it. Okay, very good. So 1, 2, 3 are simple statements. What are simple statements? Can anybody tell? Simple statement means there will be only one statement. So rhombus is a parallelogram. Yes, simple. 3 is a prime number. Yes, simple. 24 is an odd number. Yes, simple. Only one statement. 2 straight lines cannot intersect in more than single point. Yes, simple, because only one line. 2 is even and prime. This is a compound statement. Why? Because 2 is even, 2 is prime. They combined these two. Did you see that? They combined these two statements. 2 is even, 2 is prime. So 2 statements are combined together. That's called compound statement. Again, here you have and. Thales went to the market. Pythagoras went to the market. So Thales went to the market. Pythagoras went to the market. So you have two statements connected to each other. Got it? So again, this is compound. And then Euclid is wearing a red or green shirt. Euclid is wearing a red shirt. Euclid is wearing a green shirt. So they are connected with or. Here they are connected with and. So again compound. Last one. If ABC is isosceles, one statement, then it is equilateral, 2 statement. So 2 statements are connected. So again it is compound. Did you guys like it? Are you all easy? Are you all finding it very easy? Everybody happy with it? Great job, guys. You are all epic. Next level. Yes, Rahul, now you cannot apply. KVPY registration is over. Okay, got it? Did you all like it? Are you all happy, guys? Can you all give me a yo? Can you all give me a yes in the chat quickly so that we can move forward? Yes? Happy? Super, super, super. Great. So now let's proceed to the next one. So this is simple and this is compound. Okay. So simple means it has only one statement. Compound means 2 or more statements are connected to each other. 2 or more statements are connected to each other with and, or any other connective, which I will teach you in the coming few slides. Please listen carefully. Okay. Any statement which has only one statement in it is called as a simple statement. For example, 2 plus 3 is less than 4. That's a simple statement because 2 plus 3 is less than 4 is false. So if it is false, it is a statement and it has only one line. So that's called as a simple statement. Next you have the set of real numbers is an infinite set. Only one meaning, only one statement is given. So that is a simple statement. Are you all able to understand that? Everybody cool? Great. Now, what is compound statement? Compound statement means when 2 or more statements are put together. When 2 or more statements are put together, then you call it a compound statement. So here what do we have? The school works or a holiday is declared. So here you have 2 statements. Can you all see that? Guys, this is very important. It is the basics. See, school works is one, holiday is declared. So 2 statements connected with or. So here you have, it is the combination of school is working and holiday is declared. So 2 statements are connected. So that is why it is called as compound statement. Are you all happy? Very simple. Till here, if everybody is happy, give me a fire in the chat. Give me a yo. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a yo quickly so that we can move forward with this amazing lecture wherein we will conquer mathematical reasoning. Last year, just from my lecture on mathematical reasoning, questions have come. Exactly based on what I thought. Okay, because they cannot ask from outside. They have to ask from whatever I'm teaching you. So this lecture, if you listen fully, guys, believe me, you will get one question for sure. Okay, so let's go. Are you guys ready? Fantastic. Hi, Sinoj. I'm doing great, man. Thank you for asking. Now, let's look at truth values and truth table. because this is also a powerful way of solving questions. Okay, so now I'm going to teach you guys what is truth value and what is truth table. Okay, so let's try to figure out. So guys, whenever you have a statement, let's say we have a statement P. Okay, so P is a statement. So P is a statement. So now a statement can take two values, two truth values. What are the two truth values? It can either be false or it can be true. Is that right, people? Is that right? So the number of truth values is 2 to the power 1. Okay, when you have only one statement, the number of truth values is 2. When you have two statements, P and Q, the number of truth values will be 2 power 2, which is 4. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the number of truth values or number of rows in a truth table, guys, listen, this is very important. Okay, very important. Number of rows in a truth table is equal to 2 to the power n, where n is the number of statements. Okay, so here there's only one statement, so 2 power 1, 2 rows. Here there are two statements, P is a statement, Q is a statement. So 2 power 2 will be 4. So you have 4 rows. Can you see that? So 4 rows will list down all the possibilities of the truth values of P and Q. Okay, 4 rows will list down all the possibilities of the truth values of P and Q. So P and Q, true and true, true and false, false true, false false. So these are the 4 rows which you should have for a 2 statement truth table. Are you all clear? Did you guys like it? Did you guys understand what is truth value? Truth value means true and false. Truth table means you list down all the possibilities when you have 2 or more statements. Are you all happy? I have given you the formula to understand how many rows you will have. I have given you what are the possibilities of truth values of P and Q. Now based on that, we can find out the truth value of and, or, and many more which I'll teach you today. And many more which I'll teach you today. And or alone I told you because you guys know and or from your computer science. From your computer science. If you're a computer science student, you must have studied Boolean Algebra. Boolean Algebra. Or in physics, you must have studied about your AND gate or gate. Everybody studied in physics? Don't tell me you did not. Logic gates you have, right? In that, you must have studied about AND gate or gate. AND gate means what? Both true, it will be true. If one is false, it will be false. If one is false, it will be false. If both are false, it will be false. So AND gate, it will be false when one of them is false. It will be true only when both are true. That is AND gate. OR means what? OR means if one of them is true, it will be true. If one of them is true, it will be true. If one of them is true, it will be true. If both are false, it will be false. That is called AND gate and OR gate. Did you all like it? Everybody happy with it? So this everybody understood. AND means what? Only when both are true, it will be true. OR means if both are false, only that time it will be false. Otherwise it will be true. Did you guys like it? Was it amazing? Was it amazing? Absolutely. So this is the way you understand it. If everybody understood, give me a yo, give me a fire in the chat, people. I want to see some energy. I don't want you guys to be sleeping in the chat because that will make me also sleepy. I want you to participate. I want you to be very aggressive in the chat. Will you take physics for NEET? Right now, I am pressed for time, man. I don't have time. My voice is also not good. But if I get time, if my health is good, I will take physics also for NEET. Don't worry. Great, great, great. Very good. So with that, people, let's go forward. Now, I want you to tell me, this is a JEE mains question. Can you believe that? Just you listened how many? 25 minutes you listened. 25 minutes you listened to this lecture and now you will be able to answer a JEE main question. Just 25 minutes you listen and you are able to answer a JEE main question. That to 2019, not 20 years back. It is just 2-3 years back. Okay, so please solve it, guys. Come on, let's see if you all can do it. Everybody, please try to solve it. What is P of 3? What is P of 3? P of 3 is 3 square minus 3 plus 41, which is equal to how much? It is going to be 47. Okay, and what is P of 5? P of 5 is 5 square minus 5 plus 41. That is going to be equal to 61. Is that right? So is 47 a prime number? Yes, it is a prime number. Is 61 a prime number? Yes, it is a prime number. So P of 3 is a prime. So is the statement true? Yes, P of 3 is true. And P of 5 is a prime? Yes, P of 5 is a prime. So both P of 3 and P of 5 are true. So answer is option A. Did you guys like it? Was it simple? Very good. Harshita, Subiksha, Rahul, Abhinaya, Arun, Rahul. Great, great. Kavya, Piyush, super. It's a very simple question. Got it? I'm glad you all liked it. So with that, people, shall I move forward? Are you guys ready? Yep. Super, super. Hi, Adarsh. Welcome, man. So with that said, people, let's go, let's go, let's go. Now we are talking. Now we are talking. Why this class is not in Tamil? Arun, this is English channel, Enthuse. Okay, so this is for everybody who wants to learn in English. Whether you're from Kashmir, Kanyakumari, Rajasthan or Nagaland, Mizoram, doesn't matter. Okay, so this is English for everybody. Okay, so the Tamil channel is separate, that is V Master. There I will teach in Tamil, okay. But here, I want to meet everybody from the entire country. So let's keep it in English only. Now people, this is the best part. Absolutely, Adarsh. You are on the dot right. This is the most important part of today's lecture. So please open your ears, point it towards the camera or speaker of your laptop because this is very important. Westmost part of India is Gujarat. Okay, I'm sorry. I told Rajasthan, is it? Okay, from Gujarat also, whatever. All the way from west to east, north to south. That's what I meant. So now, let's go, let's go. First one is, see, what are connectives? Connectives means they are used to combine two statements. Okay, so if I say, I am Shimon, I like ice cream. So how do I say that together? I am Shimon and I like ice cream. So and is called as a connective. Okay. Did you guys like it? So now when you go to a hotel, you will say, I want to have idli. I want to have dosa. So how do you join it? I want to have idli or dosa. So that's a connective or. So and or they are used to connect two statements. They are used to connect two statements. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. Are you ready? Everybody. All good? So let's go people. So the connectives are first one and. And is called as conjunction. Or is called as disjunction. Okay. So conjunction means and, disjunction means or. See, and is A, right? So how do you write A? A is like this, up arrow. Or is down arrow. See, A. That is how I remember. A is up, so up arrow. Or means down arrow. So these are the symbols for your and or in mathematical reasoning. Superb, nah? Now you will never forget. Now you will never forget. So and A is like this. That is why the symbol is also like that. The other symbol is for or. A is called conjunction and or is called disjunction. Very good. Very true, Manish, you're right. and is like intersection. And is like intersection, or is like union. Or is like union, and is like intersection. You are right, Manish. That's a good way to remember. That's also right. Did you all like it? Super. Now, what are the other three? The other three are also very important. Let's look at it. The other three are conditional statement. Conditional means what? This also you will study in computer science if you are in 11th and 12th. Conditional statement means P implies Q. So P implies Q means if P then Q. For example, if you say if it rains then I will not go to school. That is called as a conditional statement. So you apply a condition, then you say something. If this happens, then something will happen. That is called as conditional statement. Are you all happy? So for example, I told you, if it rains, then I will not go to school. That's a conditional statement. So that you will write like this. If it rains, so it rains is P. Then I will not go to school. I will not go to school is Q. Did you understand? So if P, then Q. So P is it rains. Q is I will not go to school. So if P, then Q. That's how you read a conditional statement. I hope you guys liked it. Very good point. Very good point. Now, the next one is biconditional. Biconditional means what? See, this is conditional. P implies Q. Only one side arrow. That means if P, then Q. Okay. So next one is biconditional. Biconditional means double arrow. Double arrow. See the difference. This is single arrow. This is double arrow. So this is called as biconditional. This means P if and only if Q. So biconditional, how do you read it? P if and only if Q. P will happen if and only if Q happens. P will happen if and only if Q will happen. Did you guys like it? Are you all clear? Everybody happy? Did you all like it? So that is your biconditional. Last one is negation. Negation means not. Here people are saying it's not visible. I have written not. Not. Negation means not. For example, I can tell I love samosas. I love samosa. I love kachori. How do you negate it? Shimon sir does not like samosa. Shimon sir does not like kachori. So that is called as negation. Negation means you negate it. You negate it. You not it. Did you all like it? So that is the last one. How do you write negation? See, P is it will rain today. Okay. My Siri got activated. I'm sorry. It will rain today. So negation is this symbol. Tilde symbol. So negation P means it will not rain today. It will not rain today. Did you guys like it? Are you all happy? Are you all enjoying it? Everybody, give me a yo, give me a thumbs up, give me a fire, because we need it. We need energy in today's class. Very good, very good. Absolutely. Good job, Manish. Hi, Kushagra. Welcome, welcome, Kushagra. Remember me. Is it Lakshya? I'm not very sure, man. Great. So shall I move forward? Did you guys like it? Great, great, great. Now moving on. This is the truth table for and. Okay, this is the truth table for and, which is your conjunction. Which is your conjunction. How do you write it? So let's say you have two statements, P and Q. So whenever you have two statements, how many truth rows will be there? How many truth table rows will be there? 2 power 2. So 4 rows. What are the 4 rows? They have to show different possibilities of the truth values of P and Q. So true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. So these are the various possibilities of the truth values of P and Q. Now, what is P? What is P up arrow Q? P up arrow Q is nothing but P and Q. Because up arrow means and. Up arrow means conjunction. Conjunction means and. So P and Q, when it will be true? It will be true only when both are true. Otherwise it's false. It will be true only when both are true. If there is one false also, it will be false only. Did you guys like it? These truth values you should never forget. These truth values you should never, ever, ever, ever in your life forget. They are very important because these are the basics. I'm just teaching you conjunction. I'm just teaching you disjunction, which are all basic operations. I hope you guys are all clear. Are you all happy? Everybody? Great job, guys. Great job. So now you have P here. The earth is round. That is P. The Q statement is the sun is hot. So what is P and Q? P and Q means the earth is round and the sun is hot. Earth is round is P and is nothing but conjunction. The sun is hot is Q. So P and Q, exactly that's what we want. Did you guys understand? Simple it is. It is not at all difficult. I'm sure you guys can master these. The next one is disjunction. Disjunction means or. So or means what is the symbol? It is up arrow. Up arrow or down arrow? Up arrow is for and. Or you will have down arrow. Okay. So this is P or Q. It is also called as P disjunction Q. It is also called as P disjunction Q. Got it? So or, how many statements? Two statements are there, P and Q. So how many truth rows? Two truth table rows, how many you will have? 2 par 2, 4 rows you will have. So 4 rows will list all the possibilities. What are the possibilities? True, 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 false, false, true, false, false. So these are the 4 possibilities of your statements P and Q. Now, if it is or, if it is disjunction, if it is or, if it is disjunction, I have told you very clearly, if one of them is true, it will be true. Even if one true is there, it will be true. Even if one true is there, it will be true. But here, both are false. One true is not there. So it is false. So or will be false only when both are false. And will be true only when both are true. This you should be very clear. Okay? This you should be very clear. Or is like union. Gokulnath, it's correct. Or is like union. And is like intersection. Okay? Are you all happy? Shall I move forward? Great. You guys are awesome. Now, the next one is negation. Negation. So negation, it works on one statement. So let's say P you have. So P statement will have 2 truth values. Only one statement. Nah? So number of rows will be 2. What are the number of rows? It can either be true or it can be false. So negation of P will be what? Negation of P will be the negation of this. So true will become false. False will become true. That is how you write the truth table values for negation of P. Are you guys happy? Did you all like it? The symbol, the truth values, I hope now it's starting to make sense. Symbol is not the same. Yes, Gokulnath. Symbol is not the same. But I just told the concept is the same. Okay. Very good. Superb. So people, this is how you do it. I have given you example. The earth is round is statement P. So the negation of that would be the earth is not round. Okay. So that's how you do it. Now, coming to conditional statement. Guys, this is important. Here, slightly, you guys have to remember values. Remember things. Okay. So from now on, it gets a bit serious. So the next 15 minutes is very crucial part of our lecture. I will try to keep it short so that you guys can watch the replay and practice some more. I will keep it short. We will finish it fast. But I want to correctly tell you what is important. From now on, you should memorize, remember result. Okay. I am a maths teacher. Ideally, I will not say that. But for this chapter, memory is important. Your retention is very important. So from now on, whatever I'm telling, you should remember. Please keep that in mind. Okay. So now, this is conditional statement. P implies Q. It can be read as, how do you read this? If P, then Q. That is how you read it. Okay. That is how you read it. Are you guys happy? That's how you read it. Now onwards, people, I want to give you a equivalent statement for this. Okay, the truth table values are given here. I will explain with this example. So let's say P is x equal to 4. Let's say statement P is x equal to 4 and statement Q is x square equal to 16. So what is P implies Q? If P, then Q. Did you like it? Are you all able to understand? Raunak, now only I'm getting started, Raunak, don't worry. Now only I'm getting started. So P, I have given x equal to 4. That's the statement. Q, x square is 16. So I have given P statement, I have given Q statement. Raunak, got it? Now, what is P implies Q? P implies Q means if P, then Q. If P, then Q. So if P, then Q. Now, let's write the truth values. If P is true, if x is 4, true, then x square is 16, 100%. Q also is true means then P implies Q is true. Did you guys like it? If P is true and Q is true, if x is 4, x square is 16, both are true, then P implies Q makes sense. Yes, so it will be true. But if P is true means x is 4, but x square is not equal to 16. Does that make sense? If x is 4 and x square is not 16, does that make sense? How can that be possible? That is not possible. So it is false. So P true means Q has to be true. If P is true, Q has to be true for conditional statement to be true. Did you guys like it? Was it amazing? Very good point. If you don't understand it, what I would advise is memorize the truth table for P implies Q. So for P implies Q, these are the truth table values. This anyway you know. See these two you know, these two columns. Because you have two statements, 2 par 2 rows you will have. So 4 rows you have which lists out the possibilities of truth values of P and Q. You have to remember these values alone correctly. I have given you the explanation. If P is true, then Q is false. That makes no sense because x is 4 means x square should be 16 only. But they said it's false. So that makes no sense. That's why it's false. If P is false, x is not 4, then Q is true. X square is 16. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. How, sir? If x is minus 4. If x is minus 4. Amazing, huh? Amazing, right? So that is why if P is false, Q is true, then it can be true. Then still it can be true. Okay? Even if P is false, Q is true, it still can be true. Amazing. Got it? Then the last one. If both are false, if x is not 4, then x square will not be 16. Correct? If x is not 4, then x square will not be 16. Did you guys like it? Are you all happy? Did you guys understand this? Everybody? Okay, so this is the table which you have to remember. So the last 4 values corresponding to TT, it is T. Corresponding to TF, it is F. Corresponding to FT, it is T. Corresponding to FF, it is T. This you should remember. This is very important. This you should remember. It is very important. Are you guys happy? Shall I move forward? Yes, people. Very good, Selva. That's amazing. So now I have given you explanation. I have given you the truth table. Like I told you, please remember. But now for those who struggle, sir, I cannot remember this, sir. Can you give me a method by which I can find out? Yes, I have a formula for those who struggle. P implies Q can also be written as, in an easy manner, negation P or Q. This is called as the logically equivalent. It is the logical equivalent of P implies Q. This is such a powerful method, such a powerful concept that I am teaching you. Sivan Arul, I have already taught permutation. Please check in VMaster channel. Go check in VMaster channel. I have already covered permutation. I will do combination in the next lecture, maybe this weekend. Okay? Please wait. Did you all like it? Now, sir, what is the use of this, sir? With this, can we find easily? Yes. So you see now, write negation P. Negation P is what? True means it will become false. True means it will become false. False means it will become true. False means it will become true. Then Q. Q is what? Q is true. So you see negation P or Q. So false, true is true. False, false, false. Or, because this is or. So negation P or Q. Okay. Negation P or Q. So false or true is true. False or false is false. True or true is true. True or false is true. Because for or statement, you just need one true to be true. Amazing. Did you guys like it? Such a good one, right? So I have given you truth table. You can memorize that directly, or you can use this logically equivalent statement, and then you can easily figure it out. Got it? Are you all happy? Hi, Barasu, welcome, welcome. Super. So people, I hope you liked it. Abhinaya, you can make a note of it. This is important. Now the next one is biconditional statement. Biconditional means what? It is P implies Q, Q implies P together. Okay. P implies Q and Q implies P. So it is called as if and only if. Biconditional is also called as if and only if. So that means if you have P biconditional Q, that means P if and only if Q. Okay. So that is the meaning of it. So a triangle is equilateral is P. A triangle is equiangular is Q. Then what can you say? P biconditional Q can be written as a triangle is equilateral if and only if it is equiangular. Okay. A triangle is equilateral if and only if it is equiangular. Are you all clear? Shall I move forward? Hi Timothy, welcome. Very good, Mohammed Anas. Thank you, Abhinaya. Glad you guys are understanding it. Super, super, super. Hari Krishnan, Vanakkam man, nice to see you. Now people, let's have a look at the truth table. So truth table, you have two statements. So if you have two statements, what will you do? How many truth rows? How many rows you will have? 2 power 2, 4. So you have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 rows, you will list down various possibilities. Are you all clear? Now, P implies Q. I already taught you. P implies Q is what? T, F, T, T. All those who memorize the table would know. I showed you in the previous slide. So P implies Q is T, F, T, T. And Q implies P will be what? Q implies P means this will be true, this will be true, true, false will become false. Okay. So Q implies P will be from Q you have to see. So true, true means true. False, true means true. True, false means that's not possible. False, false, true. Got it? So both I got. Now you take and. Now you take and between these two. So if I take true and true, true. False and true, false. True and false, false. True and true, true. That's it. This is your biconditional statement. I hope you guys liked it. Okay. So this is the toughest they can ask. That's it. This is the toughest they can ask. It cannot go beyond this. Did you all like it? Are you guys happy? Hi Shweta, welcome, welcome. So late, what happened? Cool. So people, I hope you all enjoyed it. We'll move forward. Now, can you guys do this? It's a very nice question. Let me see if you can handle it. Let me see how many of you can solve it. Okay. Hi, Tarun. Vanakkam, man. Nice to see you. Oh, your school started, right? Yeah. In Chennai, in Tamil Nadu, school started today. Great. No answer? See, take this as capital Q. Okay, so P implies capital Q. How is the truth table? How will the truth table look like? P, capital Q, P implies capital Q. What did you memorize, guys? True, true, then what will you have? True, false, false, true, false, false. True, true means it will be true. Correct, na? Okay, next one is false. Next one is true. This will also be true. Correct, na? Everybody happy? So, P implies Q will be false. It will be false only in this case. It will be false only in this case. That means P should be true and Q should be false. Okay, so P should be true. So A option is right, B option is right, C is wrong, D is wrong. Because P should be true. That I got. Now what is Q? Q is Q or R. That should be false. Q, R, or should be false. Did you guys like it? So now, is A possible? True or false? Can it be false? No. So answer is B. Because false or false will be false. Super. This is the way you do it. Was it amazing? Was it amazing? It was next level, na? It was next level question, guys. 2019 JEE mains question. We just solved it like this because we know the truth table. Very good, Sandhya. Very good, Abhinaya. I am glad you guys enjoyed it. Okay. So people, all of you happy? Yes. This one, Venn diagram is not the method, man. Manish, this one you do it by truth values. Got it? So people, before we move forward, I hope you guys are all aware, your JEE announcement will come in just a few more days. JEE Mains 2022. So I guess you are all interested to get into NITs, IITs. You're all working hard for it. So we have a wonderful crash course which is currently going on in Vedantu. In case you are interested, do check it out, because last year many of our YouTube students, they joined our courses and they were able to secure top ranks. Okay. So they were able to get All India rank 35, All India rank 150, 200 below. That's crazy, because totally we have almost 10 lakh people writing JEE mains. Is the lecture over? No, guys. Lecture is not over. We will move forward. I still have little bit to teach. Okay. But I wanted to give this information so that even if somebody has little bit of interest, you can utilize it. You can catapult your level. Because right now, you might be in 5,000 rank. You might be in 10,000 or 20,000 rank. Got it? But in case you want to improve your level, then definitely you can utilize it, because these are the last 2 months of your school preparation. If you waste this time, then what you do 10 years later will matter on these 2 months. You will regret it. Okay. So utilize it. YouTube, we have free lectures. You can use our lectures, or this can be also used because this is more organized. You have test series, you have assignments, you have a proven track record. Okay. So that is the advantage of this. And all of this is just for 9,000. You have everything. Maths, physics, chemistry, and you have your test series also. Okay. So test series means it will be JEE mains pattern, exactly computer based. So many of you don't know how these exams are. So you will have to get used to it, sitting for 3 hours and writing. So that benefit is there in the crash course. Okay. What is R? R is another statement. P is a statement, Q is a statement. R is another statement. So P, Q, R are 3 statements. Got it, Selva? Crash course is awesome. Harsha, I know, man. I know, because I have been in the design of it. I was also there in the design of the crash course. It is a beautiful course, and I just wish that everybody gets to see it. Okay, at least you should go and see what's happening. Okay, so people, let's go. Logical equivalence. So what is logical equivalence? I told you na. See, you have P implies Q, but this is very hard to understand, so you have to memorize the truth table. But what if I can find an easier statement that gives the same truth values as P implies Q? That is what we call as logical equivalence statement. Let me repeat it one last time. Listen carefully. Guys, this is a very short lecture, so you should be very attentive. You cannot get distracted. Okay, what did I say now? P implies Q is slightly hard because you have to memorize the truth table. That also people do. I also did that. Very easy to remember, but slightly memory based. But what if I can simplify this to a different statement that gives the same truth values as P implies Q? That is called logical equivalence statement, which is negation P or Q. So these two will have the same truth values, so they are said to be logically equivalent. So instead of this, I can convert it to this and solve it. It will be easier. Did you guys like it? Was it amazing? Yes. Are you all happy? Fantastic, guys. So for example, negation of negation P, that is nothing but it is logically equivalent to P. That is logically equivalent to P. So that is an example. Are you all clear? Everybody happy? Fantastic. Superb. So the next one is negation of P and Q. So guys, let me teach you here. P or Q, right? So now, how do you negate this? Let me explain it. So negation will go inside. It will go to P, negation P. Negation of OR will become AND. Negation of OR will become AND. Negation of Q will become negation Q. So this is how you open it. So these two are said to be logically equivalent. Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Exactly, Selva. You're right, Selva. What is my native? I am from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay. Great. Very good, people. Yes, Shweta, you're right. So guys, I hope all of you are clear. So the negation I have given you here. Okay. So negation of conjunction is negation of P and Q, which will be equivalent to negation P or negation Q. So negation of disjunction. Negation of disjunction means negation of P or Q, which will be negation P and negation Q. Negation of implication will be negation of P implies Q, and we know P implies Q is what? Negation P or Q. So negation of negation P will become P, negation of OR will become AND, negation of Q will become negation Q. Amazing, amazing, next level, sir. Super, super. I hope you guys liked it. So this is the third one. I am teaching you how to negate a compound statement. What do you mean by compound statement? Which is connected by AND, which is connected by OR, if it is a conditional statement or if it is a biconditional statement. Next level, did you guys like it? Can you all give me a yo? Can you all give me a thumbs up? Everybody, give me a thumbs up, give me a yo in the chat so that we can move forward to the next one. Yes, you guys ready? Shall we? Great job, guys. Let's go. Super, super, Jesse. Jesse man. Great, great. Please do biconditional, sir. Yes, my dear, we will do it. So, negation of P biconditional Q. Okay, so it will be negation of, what is P biconditional Q? P biconditional Q is nothing but, it is P implies Q and Q implies P. I'll do step by step. So it will be negation of P implies Q is what? Negation P or Q. And Q implies P is what? Q implies P is negation Q or P. Super. Now take negation inside. negation of negation P, negation of or, and negation of Q, negation Q. Negation of or will become and, negation of negation Q will become Q, negation of or will become and, negation of P will become negation of P. Sir, super sir, legend sir you are. Great sir. This is how we do it. This is how we roll. I hope you guys liked it. I've given you the full proof. I've given you the step-by-step proof. I hope you guys liked it. Okay, this is amazing, guys. This is like full conceptual understanding. Okay, all good? Did you guys like it? Very good. Okay. It will be or in the middle. Yes, guys, I'm sorry. Because here and is there. No, I changed it by mistake. And now only I'm opening. And negation will be or. Thank you. Who was that? Kea Mitra, you are right. I just wrote it by mistake. I changed it. Okay. Thank you guys, you're all right. So I got the same statement. Perfect. We shall move forward now. Now, great Vishnu. So now I'll go through the algebra. Okay, quickly. These are all very simple. P or P will be P only. P and P will also be P. That's called idempotent law. Okay, so if you have same statement, if you connect it with and, then you can just put it as that statement only. If you have two statements, same statement, if you connect it with and or, then you can just write it as same statement P only. Commutative, P and Q is same as Q and P. Similarly, P or Q is the same as Q or P. That's called commutative law. Associative law, everything we studied in basic 8th, 9th, 10th standard. Same thing. Commutative means P and Q will be same as Q and P. Associative means when you have three statements, you can take two at a time in any order and then do the third one. You take these two first and then connect it with R, or you take these two first and connect with P. It doesn't matter. Both are correct. Did you all like it? That is called as associative law. And then we have distributive law, De Morgan's laws, and law of contra positive, involution. Okay, so everything is easy, guys. Nothing special, nothing great to teach. Okay, just make a note of it. De Morgan's laws are very important. I have taught you that. Negation if it goes inside. Negation of P, negation P. Negation of and will become or. Negation of Q will become negation Q. Did you all like it? So negation of P and Q is this. Negation of P or Q is this. All good? Shall I move forward? Everybody? Super. Law of contra positive I'll teach you because that is important. Guys, this is important. This is quite important. Okay. I'll teach you separately. That is the last 10 minutes. Okay. Hi Surya. Welcome. Then involution. Involution is nothing but negation of negation P. I already told you this. That is equal to P. So that is called as involution. Okay. That is called as involution. I think everybody remembers that. That's easy. This one I'll teach you. Contra positive is quite important. Okay. So now, next to two terminology. What is tautology? What is contradiction? Tautology means always true. The sun rises in the east. Tautology. Always true. What is contradiction? Contradiction means a compound statement which is always false. Always false. Always false means it will be contradiction. It will be always true means it is a tautology. Are you guys happy? But guys, tautology means it should be a compound statement. Please be careful. Compound means two statements combined together or more statements. Two or more statements combined together is called as compound statement. whenever you have a compound statement, if it is always true, it is tautology. If it is always false, it is a contradiction, or you can say it is a fallacy. If it is always false, you can call it as a fallacy. What is the spelling of fallacy? F-A-L-L. Always false, and your tautology is always true. What is always true? A compound statement. Did you all like it? Are you all happy? Shall I move forward? Great, great, great job. Next level. Identity laws, complement laws. Guys, these are all simple stuff. You go through it later. Okay. So P and true is P only. P or false is P only. P or true is true only. P and false is false only. Because when you have and false, C means contradiction, false. So P and anything false will be false. P and anything true will be P only. Because if P is false, it will be false. If P is true, it will be true. So it depends on P. P or false will depend on P only. Because this is already false. So if P is false, it will be false. If P is true, it will be true. So it depends on P. So that's why we have it. So these are all simple statements which you guys can think about and understand it. Very simple chapter. Yes. Negation of truth is false. Negation of false is truth. P and not P. P and not P is false. Because P and not P. So if this is true, this will be false. If this is true, this will be false. So one false is there anyway. So it will be false because it's and. But when you have or, it will be true. Why? Because if this is true, this will be false. If this is true, this will be false. So one truth is always there. So if one truth is always there, for an or statement, it will be true. If one false is there, for an and statement, it will be false. Very easy. Laddu. Did you guys like the laddu I gave? Amazing. Now it's time for problem solving and telling goodbye to this chapter. Are you guys ready? Everybody. Yup, Shweta. Absolutely. Great. So guys, tell me the answer. Everybody. Everybody, what is the answer? Option C. Great, great. How come, guys, so fast? Legendary you have become. Legendary you guys have become. Negation of the statement, negation P and P or Q. So negation of negation P is P. Negation of and will become or. Negation of P, then negation of or will become and. Negation of Q will become negation Q. Is that right? Did you guys like it? So it will become what? P, distributive law. P or negation P. Then you'll have and P or negation Q. Did you guys like it? Was it awesome? Everybody cool? So this is what? This is true. P or negation P is always true. So true and something. True and something will be something only. Because it is true anyway. So and means if this is true, it will be true. If this is false, it will be false. So true and something will be that something only. So this is my answer, which is option B. So everybody is wrong. You guys are wrong. Okay. It is answer option B. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Very good, Jesse man. Very good, Banu. Vishnu, thank you so much, man. I forgot the negation, sir. Guys, everybody forgot to negate it. If you negate option C, you will get this. I think you all forgot to negate it. Is that right? You forgot the negation. So be careful. Don't do that. Okay. So guys, this is the last one. This is very important. Very important because plenty of questions come from here. Plenty of questions. So whatever I'm going to talk about in this slide is very, 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 very important. So please listen carefully. It will be useful for you. So I'm going to talk about only conditional statement. I'm going to talk about if P then Q. I'm going to only talk about if P then Q. Okay. I'm going to only talk about if P then Q. So listen carefully. So for P implies Q, converse means it is ulta. Q implies P. Inverse means negation P implies negation Q. Contra positive means negation Q implies negation P. These three you should memorize. You should know what is converse of conditional, inverse of conditional, and contra positive of conditional. These three for a conditional statement you should have in your fingertips. Okay, you should have in your fingertips what? Converse, inverse, contrapositive. Mainly contrapositive. Mainly contrapositive they ask every year. Every single year they keep asking this question forever and ever and ever and ever. It will keep coming. Okay, so converse means just ulta. Inverse means just negation P implies negation Q. Contrapositive means negation Q implies negation P. Got it? Great. No, contradiction is not here. Contradiction means fallacy. Okay. Contradiction means false always. Got it? Great. So people, I hope you liked it. Now let's see this example. You have P. If P, then Q. Okay. So if P, then Q. So what is converse? Converse means Q implies P. So Q implies P means if Q, then P. If Q, then P. That's the converse. So you see, converse is if Q, if there is traffic jam, then P, then it rains. Super. Got it, sir. Amazing. Amazing, huh? Did you guys like it? Very good. Then the next one is what? Next one is contrapositive. Contrapositive means what? If P, then Q. The contrapositive is if not Q, then not P. That is contrapositive. So if not Q means if there is no traffic jam, then not P. If there is no traffic jam, then it will not rain. Got it? Awesome. That's it. We finished it. The chapter is khatam. The chapter is over. The chapter is done. Done and dusted. Now we can go and solve a few questions. And that's about it. So these are some JEE questions. Everybody try to solve it. Come on, guys. Everybody please do it. Contra positive. JEE 2021. Very good, Shweta. Very good, Kea Mitra. Very good, Satwik. Very good, Mercy Joyce. Abhinaya, Janet Johnny, Akanksha, Selva, Shanti Kumar, Lokesh, Banu, Priyadarshini. You guys are absolutely right. Next level, guys. Next level. Sarayu, very good, Sarayu. Selva is also right. Good job, people. Keep it up. So the answer is option C. How? See, this is P. This is P. And this is Q. This is Q. Okay, that's Q. So it is if P, then Q. If P, then Q. That's a conditional statement. P implies Q. So contrapositive is negation Q implies negation P. That means if negation Q, then negation P. So I'll have if negation Q means what? You will not earn money. You will not earn money. This is negation Q and negation P, right? Then negation P, you will not work. Negation P, you will not work. So perfectly, this option only matches. So the answer is option C. Very good. And where they asked? They asked in 10,000 BC? No, they asked last year. So it's a very recent year question. This is the level they asked. So it's not difficult. It's an easy chapter. Okay? I hope you guys liked it. So that's about it. Everybody try to solve the next one. Again, one more laddu. See, when they asked 19. So every year they ask, every single year, contra positive, contra positive, contra positive, contra positive. I don't know why they love it. Okay. Everybody got it? As simple as that. As simple as that. Very good, Harshita, Banu, Kea, Sarayu, Vicky, Selva, Banu, Satvik. Very good, very good. You guys are right. Priya, Harshita, Logesh, Prasanna Naga. Very good, Prasanna. Very good. Siddharth is also right. So the answer is option A, people. The answer is option A. Because, so this is P. If P, then Q. So this is your Q. Okay. So if P, then Q. But what is contra positive? Negation Q implies negation P. That means if not Q, then not P. That is your contra positive. So not Q means what? If you are not a citizen of India, this is not Q. Then not P. Not P means you are not born in India. Not P means you are not born in India. That's it. So option A is correct. Got it? Got it? Did you guys like it? Was it epic? Did you all love it? So now, if one lecture you could cover this in a fabulous and nice manner, guys, this is how you will cover other lectures in the crash course. So if you are interested, of course I'll teach you on YouTube, but if you are interested to work harder, to run for your life, to run for your career, to run for your future, then definitely check it out. The Vedantu crash course for JEE Mains 2022 is up and live. So you have live classes, you have assignments, you will be given the Tattva material as assignment. You will be given doubt solving and regular test series. If all of this interests you, sir, I was looking for this. I wanted a material, I wanted a test series. Guys, Vedantu, we produce toppers. We produce toppers online. We give you test series which are exactly like JEE Mains. Got it? So if you are curious to know, then check it out. I'm sure you will love it. Okay. So all those from YouTube who joined, they have always liked it. They have improved by miles. By miles is what I'll say. If their rank is 1 lakh, they have come to top 10, 10,000, 20,000. Okay. So in case you are interested to be here, sir, I also want to be All India topper, sir. I want to be the topper of Vedantu. Then definitely do check it out, because 900 students were able to get 99 percentile. 900 students were able to get 99 percentile. Got it? So 99 is not easy, guys. It's a challenge. Got it? So in case you are interested, check it out. I will show you how to access it. All you need to do is, my dear boys and lovely girls, you should go to the channel. You are watching this video. Just click on this video, come below the video. You come below the video and you can see here, JEE crash course. So click on the crash course, get it. You can enroll today. Tomorrow you can start attending the classes. As simple as that. Okay. No problem. Guys, if you cannot take it, if you are already enrolled somewhere, no problem, guys. I'm just giving an option. It is not forcing. Okay. Vedantu, we never do that. We would love to have you, but if you're already occupied, no issues. We will support you in YouTube. Okay. That is always the nature and attitude of every single Vedan. That is what we stand by. Our duty is to tell, because some students would want to know. I know some people get irritated. Sir, you're always telling about this, sir. Why do we tell that? Because out there, amongst 10,000, 20,000 people who are watching this video, 1 or 2 guys will be looking for this. Sir, I was looking for it. I wanted to join something like yours. So for them, we have to tell this, okay? But if you're already somewhere, if you already have everything, no issue. I will continue to teach for free in YouTube. You can come and attend my lecture. Got it? So no forcing, no compulsion. It is just out of love for you guys. We have to tell this because I know this is good. That I can guarantee. I know this is good because I was there in the creation of this course. Okay? Great. So people, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to do that. And also share it to your friends and all. This is a Telegram group. I will share the PDF. I will share the PDF in the class. What I used in the class, I will share it in the group. So make sure you join our Telegram group. That is completely free of cost. It's an app. It's basically an app. Got it? And the last one is the most important slide. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, and that would make us very happy. And also spread the word to your friends. Sharing is caring. Okay, don't forget that. So spread it to your friends also. Thank you, Vishnu. That means a lot, man. Do you know Anand Ratnam, stand-up comedian? No, man. I know Aravind the essay. I have heard from people that I look and talk like him. Aravind the essay. But he is a Tamil comedian. But Anand Ratnam, I'm not sure. Okay. Okay. Thank you, people. Take care. This video is for both 11th and 12th. Mathematical reasoning is a 11th standard topic. So both 11th and 12th people can watch it. So take care, guys. All the very best. I love you all. You can message me anything over here. Instagram. That's my Instagram ID. You can message me if you have doubt. With that, we will conclude. All the very best. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.